Hello dear traders, welcome back here one more time with Eric Munoz in Lion Bull Academy. Let's talking today about the crypto world. Today is Wednesday. Normally we make about us crypto empire, but today we want to make a video a little bit more special, and we're gonna talking about one strategy that you can use in crypto, but also in the index markets. So you want to trade also things, you can use this strategy. It's a very simple strategy, but very profitable in the long run really, because normally in the backtesting this strategy gives us around 70% of probability of win, and also because of us control of the management of risk, we are able to increase that profit even if the strategy will be not so um, accurate sometime, because when we are in a lateral market tend to give more fake signals, so need to keep in mind also this one. But in the long time, use it like in a year time, you have make a lot more profit than losses. So that's the important, that's what's matter in the end. So this strategy is really simple. First of all, we need two charts, one 5 minute and one 30 minute. The 5 minute gonna be for find the entry point, and the 30 minute for have an idea of the actual trend. So what we need next, we need two exponential moving average, one of 5 period and one of 10 period. Then we need one RSI of 14 period and one stochastic of 14.33. The RSI, we need also to put one line in the 50 of it, so in the middle. That's going to be also part of a trigger. So in backtesting, I already tell you 70% of probability or win rate that we have it. Very important also the management of risk in the strategy, because is the key really. Any strategy, even the bet strategy, you have a good management of risk, you can make money. Every good strategy, you have a poor management of risk, you can lose everything. So this also have to keep in mind. This is just a perfect combination. So let's explain about some enter. Well, let's talking about one uptrend trigger, uptrend enter. So first of all, we need, let's zoom it a little bit if not you cannot see good. Okay, first of all, we need the exponential moving average, red one, the 5 period, needs to be above the green, the 10 period. So when they cross and the 5 moving average go above the 10 moving average, we start looking for a possible enter. Then we have to look that the RSE is above the 50 level, and the stochastic show to us a nice uptrend. When we see all this constellation go together, we can enter in the market. Next, we enter always after the candle close, because till the candle don't close, the signal can change. So we wait the candle close, and in the beginning of next candle we always enter, like here show us the enter, and in the next candle we enter. We enter in the market, stop loss in a support zone. I think already everybody know how to find a support, but if no, it's not difficult. I have also a video separate for that, but it's really not so difficult. You just find a position where the price touch that is not so far from your entry point also. Example like here I showing in this part here. Next, the management of risk, very important. Normally I like to use, if I risk $1, I need to make $2. So we make risk reward 1 2. We risk 1 for make 2. In this case, every time we win $2, and every time we lose $1. That's what we need to do. So this operation, enter, arrive to the profit of $2, we close. Good. Okay, here we have one loss. I also gonna explain and what I did in this situation. This is really was a complicated trade, but I did this in live. I mean, I was really in front of screen, and I choose to close in this candle. And I now want to explain why, because you need to look in also this information. So for go enter short in the market, you just need to wait in the red exponential moving average go below the green moving average, the 10 period. So the 5 go below the 10. Then we wait the RSI go below 50, and this stochastic show to us a downtrend. In this case, really doesn't show a clean downtrend like here up. So really this one was not a good trade, but I was want to enter for see if it's also possible to make some money here, but was really a wrong idea. But let's explain what I did next. So I enter in the market, the price started going up, that was good. here we are still not half of the price, so I even don't move my stop loss to the break even. And after the price start change, what I did is when I see that the price close above the 2 exponential moving average, I decide to close the trade and start looking for a possible long, because I start see here a very nice movement straight, and then I decide, okay, to close the short with a small losses and looking for an uptrend movement. Also, in this part here, I start looking the graphic in this zone, and I see that the market make a support and maybe gonna make some small pullback. Then I decide to take a risk to go try to get one up movement, one bullish movement. So let's look in one short that is work. Okay, here let's say one more short. This was really clean. You can see also here very clean movement. The exponential moving average red one, the 5 period, go below the 10 period. We waiting that the RSC go below 50. We see a nice short movement in the market, bearish movement, and then we waiting that the candle close and we enter in the next candle. Stop loss in support levels and take profit the double. You was able to put stop loss here is really doesn't matter, was still will be profitable. And we make as target in the double of the risk. Always remember, the best is to use the same amount of risk. Let's say the line finish. If you risk $50, you always need to make a profit of $100. And always, doesn't matter how far is the stop loss, always need to be $50 risk. That's it. If you take care of that management of risk in that way, that always risk the same for make the same amount of money, you always gonna be profitable in the long run. Can happen some operations that go wrong, but at the end of the month you will be in green. This is very important. So you can see it's very simple strategy. I repeat you one more time: 2 exponential moving average, 1 5 period, 1 10, 1 RSC with 14 period with the line of 50, then 1 stochastic 14 3 3, and that's all what you need. Plus to chart 5 minutes and 30 minutes. That's all. Very simple strategy. You can use in any crypto, and you can use also in the index market. In the crypto, working better because it's more volatile. In the index, carefully in the lateral market because give a lot wrong signal. So thank you one more time for looking the video, and see you next time. Ciao guys.